Hey y'all, it's your girl Neicy and welcome back to my channel. So today, as y'all can see by the title, I have an Instagram, YouTube trend thing majiggy going on today. I thought I would film like the cloud trend that was going around. I know that I'm kind of late, but like whatever. I tried to film this video before, but it didn't turn out right. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and refilm it so I can put it up on my channel for you guys. I know I'm looking crazy right now, but y'all already know by the end of this video, I'm going to be looking right. So don't even worry about it. I already got my eyebrows on. This is probably going to be a voiceover or something like that. I don't think it's going to be a talk through, but y'all see when the video play out. Okay, y'all, so I don't want this intro to be too long. So like I said, y'all can see by the title, it's going to be a little Thunderstorm theme with a little Instagram trend with the clouds type of thing. Please give the video a thumbs up, helps out the channel and helps out the video a lot. Also, leave me a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Please make sure you guys check the description box because that will have everything that I use. If I do not mention it in the video, please check the description box. I post everything that I use on my face. And lastly, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Why are you not subscribed? I'm waiting. All right, y'all, so let's get right into the video.
Shipping on my mind for a while, man, I think I lost the real one. And I've been feeling so down when I lay down, the only time I'm looking up. But in my manners, if I end up hitting you still after dark. I've been drowning in that courage, liquid, my judgment been blurry. I'm a mess. Get you baggage and made you stress. Know you're better off with the next man, yeah. But I can't seem to let go. So when I hit you with that text, hoping that you give me another chance. I know you need some time. Ooh, can we get along like we used to? Ooh, till we both can't get enough, making love like we used to. No, I can't change the fact I fucked up your heart. I'm down to make it all better. Can we get back to love like we used to? This shipping on my mind for a while, man, I think I lost the real one. That boy Sean said it the best. Beautiful girls give you their best, believe you depressed and all. But I ain't suicidal. Feel like I'm stuck in a USL mind. No, I don't deserve you, but until I get through to you, I want you to know I'm a mess. Get you baggage and made you stress. Know you better off with the next man, but I can't seem to let go. So I'ma hit you with that text, hoping that you give me another chance. I know you need some time. Change the fact I fucked up your heart, but I'm done to make it all better. Can we get back to loving like we used to? Can we get along like we used to? Till we both can't get enough, making love like we used to. Like, just like we used to, yeah. Like we. Can we get back to loving like we used to? Ooh, can we get along like we used to? You can only get me, so we both can't get enough. Ooh, so you got my Lincoln Fire, nicht for babies. Yeah, what I'm saying ain't no replacing you. See through me, you see I do right by you. See through me, you see can't do it like, do it like. Yeah. This shit been on my mind for a while, man. I think I lost the real one. And I've been feeling so down when I lay down. The only time I'm looking up. But in my manners, if I end up hitting you, still have to dive. I've been drowning in that courage. Liquid, my judgment been blurry. I'm a mess. Gave you baggage and made you stress. Know you're better off with the next man, yeah. But I can't seem to let go, let go. So when I hit you with that text, hoping that you give me another chance. I know you need some time. Ooh, can we get along like we used to? Ooh, till we both can't get enough, making love like we used to. No, I can't change the fact I fucked up your heart. I'm down to make it all better. Can we get back to love like we used to? This shit been on my mind for a while, man. I think I lost a real one. That boy Sean said it the best. Beautiful girls give you their best. Believe you depressed and all, but I ain't suicidal. Feel like I'm stuck in a asylum. I know I don't deserve you, but until I get through to you, I want you to know I'm a mess. Get you baggage and made you stress. Know you better off with the next man, yeah. But I can't seem to let go, let go. So I'ma hit you with that text, hoping that you give me another chance. I know you need some time. Change the fact I fucked up your heart, hey. But I'm done to make it all better. Can we get back to loving like we used to? Can we get along like we used to? Till we both can't get enough, making love like we used to. Like, just like we used to, yeah. Like we. Can we get back to loving like we used to? Can we get along like we used to? You got on again, so we both can't get enough. So you got my Lincoln Farm, nicht for babies. Yeah, what I'm saying ain't no replacing you. Can we make love? The middle of the night, you the one I want. Can't nobody do it like me, nah. Nigga can't do it like, do it like.
Okay guys, so it is officially 12 o'clock at night. I am tired. I have been doing my makeup for the longest part with my eyebrows. I swear to God, like in the beginning, I don't know what was going on. Like y'all didn't see that. I didn't record that part because I tried to do my eyebrows before I started recording because it can take that long. I swear to God, my eyebrows took like 30-45 minutes. Like I haven't done makeup in a while, so I guess like I just wasn't good at it, but whatever. So yeah, so like I'm finally done. This is the completed look. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I think that the two buns look way better with the look. Not like that my hair in the beginning was really done for real anyway. I was gonna have to fix it, but I was just like, let me do the two buns, because first of all, I haven't done two buns on my channel in a long time. Second off, I thought it looked so much better with the look. It just was so much cuter. Like it looks so much better. And I added like some little dots like to be like the stars or whatever. And I just think it looks really cute. Like when I first tried to record the video, it just did not turn out as cute as like how it looks right now. And I'm so glad I did it again, because you know, whenever, you know, it just practice makes perfect. So you just have to practice, and if you're not happy with the first time, try the second time, try the third time, try it till you know you feel better and more comfortable with what you've done. I'm not about to get into a long ramble about that, but I hope you guys like and enjoyed the video. Sorry if I'm talking a little soft. It's like I said, it's 12 o'clock now and I'm kind of tired. You know, I'm a grandma now with my job and everything, so it's way past my bedtime. But yeah, just let me know you guys' thoughts on this look. Leave it in the comment section down below. If you guys liked it, please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Helps out the video and the channel a lot. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel, join the family. Like if you're not subscribed, like you know that you want to subscribe. You know you want to subscribe. And please do not forget to check the description box. That will have everything I used. If it was not said in the video, it will be in the description box, everything that I used on my face today. And also my social media, if you guys want to follow me on there, keep up with my day-to-day life. That's basically it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.